Hey there, Poshmark sellers. If you're excited about making a sale on Poshmark, you're not alone. It's one of the best parts of the platform. But once that item is sold, you need to handle the backend properly to keep everything smooth and your account in good standing. In this video, we'll walk through how to mark your Poshmark listing as sold in 2025, step by step. This is super important because it updates your inventory, notifies buyers, and helps avoid any confusion. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Poshmark account on the app or website. If you're on the mobile app, which most users prefer, open it up and head to your Closet tab. That's where all your listings live. Now, find the item that just sold, scroll through or use the search function if you have a lot of listings. Once you've selected the listing, tap on it to open the details page. Look for the Actions or Edit button. This is where the magic happens. In 2025, Poshmark has streamlined this process, so you'll see a prominent Mark as Sold option right there. Tap on that, and it might ask you to confirm a few details, like the sale price or shipping method, to ensure everything matches. After confirming, Poshmark will prompt you to handle any shipping labels if needed. Don't skip this, as it integrates with their shipping partners for ease. Once that's done, your listing will be removed from your active listings and marked as sold in your sales history. Pro tip: always double-check for any buyer messages or payment confirmations before marking it sold to avoid disputes. And just like that, you're all set. Marking items as sold keeps your Poshmark experience organized and professional. If you run into any issues, Poshmark's Help Center is a great resource. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy selling!